Hello everyone, welcome to Little Beauty Mantra. Today I am up with a topic which is not related to women, especially related to men, and that is beard. Yeah, if you wish that your husband, your boyfriend or your son or someone wishes for some good beards, then you can go with the video. So before starting with the video, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe and do share. So let's start with the video. DIY beard oils for growth. 3 easy ways to make natural beard oil at home. Homemade beard oil for growth. Do you like the beard look? If yes, then you should use beard oil to take care of your beard. Beard oil makes your beard soft and beautiful and keep your cheeks moisturized. The market for men's grooming has grown much more than before. This is the reason behind the most expensive beard oils in the market. Apart from this, chemicals are also used in some beard oils, which can damage your skin in the long run. You can make beard oil by yourself at home. Let us see what are the easy ways to make it. Make beard oil with eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Apart from this oil also helps in growing the beard faster. That is why with this oil you can make good natural beard oil. It is easy to make beard oil with it. Take 6 tablespoons of olive oil in a bottle, add 3 by 4 drops of eucalyptus oil to it. Now close the lid for a while and shake it and mix it well. Your beard oil is ready. You can use this beard oil daily. To apply it, first wipe the face thoroughly with a wet cloth. After this, take 4 to 5 drops of oil and made from eucalyptus in your palm. Massage it with your beard. Leave this oil on your beard for 30 minutes. After which you wash the face with cold water. Make beard oil from coconut oil. Coconut oil is also considered very beneficiary for hair as it keeps hair moisturized and nourish the skin. You can also make good natural beard oil from coconut oil. To make it, take 50 ml extra virgin coconut oil first. Add 10 drops of rosemary oil or lavender oil to it. Mix them well and your coconut beard oil is ready. The smell of coconut oil is strong and hence you should use this beard oil at night. In the night before going to bed, heat a little beard oil in a spoon. Now massage your beard with light oil in hands. Leave it on the beard overnight. This oil is also very beneficiary for your skin because coconut contains a lot of vitamins and antioxidants which keep the skin healthy. After this, wash your beard while bathing in the morning. Your beard will have a beautiful shine and it will become soft. Next, tea tree oil is also considered good for beard as it is also an antibacterial property. Apart from this oil is antiseptic and keeps the beard healthy and moisturized. To make it, take 50 ml almond oil, add 4 drops of tea tree oil and 4 drops of eucalyptus oil. If there is no eucalyptus oil, then you can add 8 drops of tea tree oil only. Mix them well and your natural tea tree beard oil is ready. To use it, first clean the face thoroughly and then massage a few drops into the beard. Leave it on the beard for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash the face with plain water. This oil will moisturize your beard hair, enhance its shines and make the beard thicker. Apart from this, it will also protect you from skin disease. So boys, go ahead and try these oils on your beard and see the result. Any home remedy will not give you instant results. You need to work on it for about 2 to 3 months to see the surprising and the magical results. So make sure to give us a like, share and comment for more such videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.